G'day, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to connect the Suzuki Hayabusa or Suzuki gear indicator to your Hayabusa. This is a 2003 GSX-R 1300. A lot of people show the sensor to be on the side, but I've discovered that with the Hayabusa, the sensor is actually right on top where the crank runs. And if you follow this, that's your carburetors, or not carburetors, your fuel intake throttle indicator there. And if you go down here, that is your crankcase indicator or crankshaft position indicator. That cable there, let me just do this way, this cable here, if you pull this sheeting back, it comes out of it, and the wire you're looking for is the yellow black wire. I'm not sure what it's on the other bikes, but this is an 03 Hayabusa, and it's the yellow black wire. Once you connect your intake or your sense wire from your cable into that, you're good to go. And of course these fit into your gear select indicator wires, which fits down the left hand side as per normal. Hope that was helpful. Thanks guys.